Let's talk about foam. So this is a traditional block of foam. You all know it from your everyday life for your comfort. It's everywhere and it has a number of issues. One of the biggest problems is that it's only one hardness, it's not very hygienic, and it's also flammable. So we have tried to solve all those problems by using 3D printing. We are able to create what we call programmable foam, a new generation of foam using TPU material that are 3D printed, where we can use the software to actually control the hardness. So we can create a block of foam that is multi-density, multi-hardness in the same block of foam. And why is this useful? Well, on top of being hygienic, that you can wash it, that it's not flammable, and you can control the different hardnesses, then it opens for a lot of different applications. For example, insoles. So you can actually 3D print with programmable foam an insole where you can control the hardness. You can make a zone where it's soft and a zone where it's much harder to create pressure relief on your insoles. Another application is seats for wheelchairs. So it can be a full molded seat like this one where you can control the hardness and making it softer to relieve the pressure and prevent pressure injuries. Or it can be smaller cushion like this one where you use the multiple harnesses to create pressure relief in specific area to avoid those ulcer pressure injuries.